की आंखों में काजल है, किसी की आंखों में काजल है, किसी के माथे पे चंदन है। आप सभी का इस महफिल में तहे दिल से स्वागत है। आदाब, नमस्कार, सत श्री अकाल, गुड मॉर्निंग। मैं सपना सिंह और हमारे साथी ललित टर्टे आज आपके होस्ट, दोस्त और सूत्रधार हैं। So friends, I hope you enjoy today to the fullest and take wonderful memories when you go back.
होस्ट फ्रैंकली मुझे यहाँ पर साउथ इंडियन मूवी के लिए ऑडिशन के लिए बुलाया था एंड आई न्यू डॉक्टर इज देयर, तो आई हैव कम फॉर द ऑडिशन।
No doubt, no doubt. वो देख के पता चल रहा है कि ऑडिशन के लिए ही आए हो। वैसे मैं सबको बताना चाहती हूँ, he is the most eligible bachelor in town. तो ऑडिशंस हर चीज़ की हो सकती है, क्यों ललित?
No, thank you. Let's continue. We on the behalf of Rotary Club of Dombivli Sun City and most importantly District, Rotary District 3142 and Rotaract District, welcome you all. Please have a round of applause for all of you for having. It is a moment of extreme pleasure to welcome each one of you present today. It is so wonderful to us to see you all on this sunny day.
Lalit, 1 minute, I'll just go off the script. वैसे, see the ladies are already taking selfies over there. हर कोई यहाँ पे खूबसूरत लग रहा है. All the ladies are just looking so beautiful and awesome. And gents, please आप बुरा मत मानिए. You are not left out. You are equally complimenting the ladies. You are also shining. So this high spirit will go ahead. Lalit, I'm just going to start today's morning with a mantra. Now this mantra is Matru Devo Bhava, Pitra Devo Bhava, Acharya Devo Bhava, and Atithi Devo Bhava. Now, this means to be one should be, who should assume his mother as his God, one for whom his father is God, one for whom his Guru, Acharya is the God, and one for whom Atithi, the guest, is the God. Normally, this line is used to showcase India's timeless traditional hospitality. But I recited this mantra in honor of all our guests sitting over here. So guests, please, a big round of applause for all of you. Now, without delaying this event, we start ahead. Ladies and gentlemen, many more to go. Get up. Let's start. Diya. We all know the importance of diya in our Hindu tradition. दिया जो होता है शुभ, शांति, समृद्धि का प्रतीक होता है. हमारे भारतीय संस्कृति के अनुसार हर शुभ काम की शुरुआत दीप प्रज्वलन से होती है. तो हम इस प्रोग्राम की शुरुआत लाइटनिंग ऑफ लैम्प से शुरू करते हैं.
I would request our President Radhakrishnan Krishnamurthy to escort our DG Dinesh Mehta and First Lady of the district, and our DG N Dr. Nilesh Jayawant. I would request our First Lady and Rotaract President Anu to escort our Rotaract DRR Nisha Raju on the stage for lighting of the lamp. I would also request our festive chair and our GSR Bhujang Bhandari on the stage. Sanju Joshi to be on the stage also. Sanju Jain. दोनों को बोला था. Sangram, I took your surname and I took his name. दोनों को and also our DS Prashant Ambekar. think one more DS is there. Itti Vadakar.
शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः ज्योतिषां प्रभुरव्ययः आरोग्यं देहि पुत्रांश्च मतिं स्वच्छां हि मे सदा शुभं कुरु तस्य नास्ति दरिद्रता शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं
Ganpati.
Auspicious start. Now I request our Onam convener for the year, Santosh sir, to please join us.
हेलो नमस्कारम रोटरी नमस्कारम अरे आवाज़ नहीं आ रहा है खाना मिलेगा ज़रूर मिलेगा सद्या सबको मिलेगा सो माई सेल्फ रोटेरियन संतोष नंबूदरी फैब प्रेसिडेंट एंड करंटली द कन्वीनर एक छोटा एक बैकग्राउंड देना चाहूँगा ओनम फेस्टिवल के बारे में और ओनम रोटरी में हमने कब से मनाना चालू किया एक्चुअली यहाँ पे डिस्ट्रिक्ट 3142 में 2016 दैट वाज स्टार ईयर में हमने क्लब में ओनम किया था और कुछ बेनिफिशियरीज को भी बुलाया था ओनम इज़ अ फेस्टिवल ऑफ टुगेदरनेस बेसिकली इट्स अ फेस्टिवल जहाँ पे ठीक है हमें खाना याद रहता है ओनम सद्या याद रहता है बट उसके अलावा जब सब लोग साथ में बैठ के खाते हैं उसमें जो मज़ा है दैट इज़ ओनम एंड दैट इज़ ओनम फॉर एवरी वन एक्चुअली खाना याद रहेगा भूल जाएगा लेकिन जो साथ में मोमेंट्स हम लोग मिल के बिताते हैं दैट इज़ मोर इंपॉर्टेंट इट डजेंट मैटर क्या लैंग्वेज अभी यहाँ पे देखा जाएगा तो मल्लूज हार्डली है बट नॉन मल्लूज या मल्लूज के अलावा जो है द सो कॉल मल्लू टर्म ज़्यादा दिखेगा बिकॉज दैट इज़ ओनम बिकॉज एवरी वन कम्स टुगेदर फॉर ओनम दैट इज़ मोर इंपॉर्टेंट सो ओनम 2016-17 में स्टार्ट हुआ था तभी हमने जस्ट क्लब में चालू किया था बट देन 4 years बैक ओके इन स्माइल ईयर वी डिसाइडेड कि हमें इसे थोड़ा बड़े लेवल पे करना है दैट इज़ व्हेन वी गॉट द सपोर्ट फ्रॉम डिस्ट्रिक्ट एंड वो डिस्ट्रिक्ट फेस्टिवल बन के चालू हुआ इन स्माइल ईयर दैट इज़ 4 years बैक देन फैब में हमने इसको और कंटिन्यू किया लास्ट ईयर भी और दिस ईयर अगेन वी हैव टेकन इट टू अ ग्रैंड लेवल इन द सेंस हमने उसे यहाँ पे लेके आया जहाँ पे और थोड़ा कन्वीनियंस बढ़े एंड लोग आए एंजॉय करें इस फेस्टिवल को सो दैट इज व्हाट इट इज एंड दिस इज अ स्मॉल टोकन ऑफ लव फ्रॉम रोटरी क्लब ऑफ डोंबिवली सन सिटी टू आवर फेलो रोटेरियंस कि लेट्स सेलिब्रेट ओनम टुगेदर इन अ बिग वे एंड चलो एंजॉय करते हैं बिकॉज रोटरी इज ऑल अबाउट फेलोशिप काम प्रोजेक्ट्स ये वो सब होते रहेगा बट अगर फेलोशिप रहा सब चलेगा सो दिस इज व्हाट इज द ओनम फॉर अस एंड आई होप सो दैट आपको वो थोड़ा फीलिंग आ रहा है यहाँ पे अभी कि द फन इज जस्ट स्टार्टेड सद्या के पहले भी बहुत फन होता है तो खाना खाने में और मजा आएगा राइट सो दिस इज व्हाट इट इज वेलकम टू ऑल एंड लेट्स सेलिब्रेट दिस टुगेदर एक जबरदस्त ऑसम ओनम के लिए राइट So again, thanks everyone, district dignitaries, members, friends, everyone for coming here and giving us the opportunity to serve you through Onam. Thanks a lot again. So this is a small token of love from our side. Thank you. Thanks again.
Now I request our Rotary Club of Dombivli Sun City's President, Rotarian Rotractor Radhakrishnan Krishnamurthy, and our First Lady and Rotract President Anu on the stage, please.
Hello, am I audible? Okay, thank you. So, good morning, everyone. All the distinguished guests, our fellow Rotarians, Rotractors, aunts, Annets, and all our friends. Good morning. This is Rotractor Anudhyana Jaiswal, President of Rotract Club of Dombivli Sun City for the current year.
And I am Rotarian Rotractor Radhakrishnan, President of Rotary Club of Dombivli Sun City. I am delighted to welcome you all for the District Onam Festival 2024 with a vibrant celebration of Kerala's rich culture and celebration. Today we gather to the community to increase the spirit of Onam and festival symbolizing unity, prosperity and homecoming of mythological Mahabali. As the President of Rotary Club of Dombivli Sun City, I am honored to be the part of the remarkable event. Our club is dedicated for making positive impact on our community, and festival provides a unique way and platform to showcase the beauty of Kerala's culture and foster the sense of unity.
Just to give you a behind the scene, our dedicated team of Rotarian and Rotractors and also aunts and Annets have worked tirelessly to ensure a seamless and unforgettable experience for all. Their passion and commitment have been instrumental in bringing this celebration to life. Today, you will be witnessing a spectacular display of traditional dances, music, cuisine that will transport you to the Kerala's rich culture. Let's come together to celebrate the diversity, richness of our culture and foster a sense of belonging. I would like to express my sincere gratitude to our guests, sponsors, volunteers, and performers who have made this event possible. Your support and dedication are invaluable. Let us celebrate Onam with joy, enthusiasm, and a spirit of togetherness. Happy Onam. Now I'd like to call our respected DG Rotarian Dinesh Mehta sir to bless us with his wise words.
Mahatma Gandhi famously said, "The best way to find yourself is to lose yourself in the service of others." Dinesh began his professional life as a teacher and later ventured into setting up a trading unit in iron and steel. He rapidly grew into a major steel billets manufacturer and a flat steel importer. Dinesh was invited to join the Rotary Club of Thane Lake City in 2001-2002. He became president in 2007-2008 and set several benchmarks. Highest ever membership growth, highest ever donation to the Rotary Foundation, first ever matching grant for constructing a check dam near Bhiwandi. He led the highly impactful global grant project at Mahavir Jain Hospital in Thane in collaboration with TMC and Jito to establish a diagnostic and ophthalmic center. He provided operation theatre equipment and assisted the Rotary Club of Thane in setting up a dialysis center in the same hospital. Dinesh was instrumental in establishing the PICU at Mahavir Jain Hospital with the assistance of PRID Ashok Mahajan. Dinesh has served as Assistant Governor 2012-13, District Secretary 2015-16, Chief Coordinator 2017-18, and Avenue Chair TRF Support, where he raised the bar and collected $1.14 million in donations to the Rotary Foundation. With this donation, RID 3142 ranked 29th among the 540 districts in the Rotary world. In the same year, Dinesh's parent club, the Rotary Club of Thane Lake City, contributed more than $400,000 to the Rotary Foundation and was ranked number 3 in India and number 11 in the Rotary world. Dinesh also served as a convener for DTA, Pre-PETS, DTTS, CSR Conclave and numerous TRF seminars. Dinesh was the district coordinator for 5 years for the Rotary Leadership Institute. Dinesh received the RI Club Builder Award in 2015-2016 and was bestowed with the Rotary District Service Award on 4 occasions. He is the recipient of Rotary Foundation's second highest award, Citation for Meritorious Service from the Rotary Foundation. He has been bestowed the Frontline Warriors Award from the Honorable Governor of Maharashtra, Bhagat Singh Koshyari. He is a major donor, Paul Harris Society member, and a benefactor to the Rotary Foundation. Dinesh's family members are all Paul Harris Fellows. Dinesh's spouse Jyoti was a charter president of the Inner Wheel Club and a member of the Rotary Club of Thane Lake City. His elder daughter, Kritika, has completed her studies in medicine and is now pursuing higher studies in cardiac surgery. His younger daughter, Bhavika, has completed her LLB and a master's in entertainment law from London and is currently practicing in Dubai. His son, Vansh, has completed his bachelor's in management studies and joined the Dubai family business. Here we present a man for all seasons, a friend of friends, a go-getter, a thorough gentleman, District Governor 2024-2025 Rotarian, Dinesh Mehta.
Thank you, host club, and namaskaram, and good morning. And friends, I just remind when Vinesh was the president of this club in 1718, he proposed to let us celebrate this Onam on the district level, but somehow we couldn't at that time. But after that there was a COVID, and we started to celebrate this in Smile Year 21-22. And now it is the, I think, most awaited event in the district. Everybody waiting for this event. When the Onam is, rather not the year starts, before the year starts, everybody looking after that. There's maybe in 2 or 3 clubs, there's a competition in the Domboli. This year we will celebrate, we will host this Onam. Other clubs, we will host this Onam. Like they brought up this event like this. Everybody is waiting for it. So congratulations, and for the wonderful Vinesh, Santosh, and everybody from the Rotary Club of Domboli, Sun City. So friends, it gives me immense pleasure to be here today to celebrate Onam, a festival that signifies joy, prosperity, and unity. Onam is not just a festival of Kerala. In our country, we are celebrating so many festivals. It is not like this Onam we are celebrating. We are celebrating Baisakhi, we are celebrating Lohri. This is you can say that India is rich of cultures. And the festivity has started now after the Raksha Bandhan. There are so many festivals. The first festivals we are celebrating is Onam. After that, there is one Rotary festival also, this is Rotary Foundation seminar. And after that, we are celebrating Dashera. This time Dashera will be a different type of Dashera, we can say. Yesterday, the host club announced that Mere Ghar Ram Aayenge. Our Avenue Chair, Durgesh Bakshi is here. He has different kind. Rather, we have celebrated Hindi Divas also. Who attended this Hindi Divas? That was fantastic. So, as we are, this is the unity in diversity. So, we all Rotarians has to come together and do wonderful work for the community also. For that, we are here today. So, wish you all the best. And thank you very much for hosting this event and showing us the culture of the Kerala. We are from the different. I am from Punjabi, and so many people are from the Maharashtra. We are in Maharashtra, but you are showing us the culture of, and we are learning the culture of this Kerala, and we are enjoying a lot. अभी यहाँ पे भी जब आए अंदर तो कोई भाव रुकने को तैयार नहीं था. So someone told me, Dr. Sanjeev Jain, being he is an orthopedician, तो बोले ये पहला वो ढोल बजा रहे ना, ये फर्स्ट टाइम है जिसमें दारू के बिना भी पाँव उठ रहा है. So this is the beauty of the culture. So wish you all the best. Let us enjoy this Onam together and wish you happy Onam to all of you. And now I request Sangram, we have some formalities, so please, we need to host the host club. You make the announcement, I will give it.
Dear friends, a very good morning to you. Sorry. Friends, it's always a pleasure to come to festivals, particularly when it's Onam and when it's Dombivli. Dear friends, you all know the host club takes a lot of efforts. There is a lot of midnight oil to be burned, lot of calls to be made, lot of messages to be sent. And when we all come here together to share the joys of Onam, then it's always a pleasure. But the pleasure is also of the governor to recognize and grace the club members. So I recognize all of your club members to please come to the stage. All club members of Rotary Club of Dombivli Sun City. Yeah. Rotary Club of Dombivli Sun City. DRR Nisha Raju, please. You guys need to go nearer to the board. Managing those who are managing the back screen, please keep it not on Welcome to Onam, but with the Onam festival wala shot, and keep it constant. Yes, this shot will look good in the photograph. Yes, yes. DS Sanjeev, host club DS. AG, Chief Coordinator Kirti. Is the AG of the club here? Okay. संजीव, तू लोगों के घुटने ठीक कर, तू घुटने पे मत आ. Please, please, please.
जो और हमारे जो क्लब के भीष्म पितामह हैं, उनको भी मैं प्लीज़ यहाँ बुलाना चाहूँगा. सर प्लीज़ आ जाओ, आपको पता है मैं किसके बारे में बात कर रहा हूँ.
Some of our very small protractors can perhaps, if you aren't, yes, thank you very much. You said it in a very nice way. In case you aren't very accustomed to going on the kneels in the school, you can do it here. Thank you. All of you, Durgesh ji, please stay on the stage. DS Sanjeev Jain, please stay on the stage. Yes. Yeah, club members, please wait. Please. It's a pleasure to award club president for this wonderful occasion. 3 cheers to Dombivli Sun City. Hip hip! Hip hip! Hip hip! 3 cheers to Rotary Club of Dombivli Sun City. Hip hip! Hip hip! Hip hip! Thank you. And the man who burned a lot of midnight oil, संतोष नंबूदरी. Friends, a lot of efforts go in organizing such festivals. I know सादिया थोड़े टाइम के बाद आएगा, लेकिन तब तक एक जोर से तालियां जरूर हो जाए.